A court in Ivory Coast sentenced 10 people to 10 years in jail on Wednesday on child trafficking charges. The case is linked to a national clampdown on organised networks that smuggle children to work in cocoa plantations. Ivory Coast is the world's top cocoa producer. The companies that buy its cocoa are facing international pressure to tackle child labour and put measures in place to guarantee sustainable farming. The group of suspects, which include transporters and smugglers, all came from Ivory Coast's northern neighbour, Burkina Faso, according to prosecutors. They all pleaded not guilty. The group were arrested in April while transporting about 40 minors aged between 10 and 17 years old. The children were being ferried via two main routes to work in plantations in the central and southern parts of Ivory Coast's cocoa belt. The children have since been released and returned to Burkina Faso. Edgar Demoy is the deputy prosecutor.
We want to say that the Ivory Coast justice system is changing. We're breaking away from impunity for good because our people need to understand that our children's place is in school, not in the fields, not in quarries or in gold mines.
A recent study showed that child labour had risen in cocoa farms in both of the world's two top producers, Ivory Coast and Ghana. European Union lawmakers have called for Ivory Coast to pass legislation by the end of the year to prevent the import of commodities and products linked to deforestation and human rights abuses.